Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to send files in Messenger. As we all know that Messenger only allows us to audio call, video call and send images and videos. But if you want to send files, CVs, then it doesn't allow us. So you just need to go back to Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Explore File Manager. Here is the app. As I have already installed this app, so let's open the app. Allow Explore Manager to access all the files. Now let's go back. Now here you need to choose the storage from where the files you want to send and tap on the file location where your files is located. Tap on the file. You need to long press on the file that you want to share and tap on share icon. Now here you can see the messenger chats. Tap on it and choose a person whom you want to send the file, and this is how you can send files in Manager. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming video. Thank you.